Yeah, what you word? You're going at zone, Zidane. Load them up them anymore. Yeah, guys, I'm back with a new video. Yeah, actually playing with my noob friend right there. There he is. Come on, man. Oh shit. Zidane, guy on me. Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn noob. Yeah. Good shit, good shit. Hey, his partner's right here, right here. He's gonna shoot me, he's gonna shoot me. Man, no, I know. Zidane, would young man can build, see that? Watch him, watch him. All him do a run.
Stop customer not traded first.
Shh.
Go from top. No?